Hello guys, today I will teach you how to draw a face. So first you make another sketching layer and go in it. Now you make a circle.
Now draw a line in the middle of the circle. And two lines at the side of the circle. Sorry to all of my artist fans, but trust me, I can draw better.
Finally, LOL. You put the eyes here, but that is gonna be another part. Inking time. LOL. Coloring time. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the part 2, then please subscribe. This was only the outline part, LOL. I'm sorry. Bye and have a great time.